1% to $315,000 from last August to this August, but rose 5.7% year to date to $333,000. It's Friday, September 16th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Overall, new listings fell 17.1%, keeping inventory down, but new sales rose 9.3% in August, reflecting continuing activity on the shore. These homes are selling close to list price at 97.5%. The average days on the market are holding steady at 27, which is exactly where it was this time last year. Homes for sale dropped slightly to 1,227. 80 properties are coming soon, which is fewer than last week. 154 came to the market since last week's report, rising again this week. 99 properties are temporarily off the market, which is up from last report. 83 went under contract, rising significantly since last week. 107 properties went to pending, also a significant rise over last week. 124 properties sold, pushing median sales prices over $345,000 and selling in 13 median days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Easton for $4,750,000. Rental inventory is down slightly to 51 for lease, but holding steady at $1,700 per month. These have been on the market for 23 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for September 16th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.